right, hopefully this is the last video, but remember, we may split up the test about this, but when we are talking about transforming functions, please make sure to read your notes and read the book, because that's where all of the information is. It kind of seems easy when you do these problems because we've been working on it for a long time, but I really want to make sure that you understand what's happening. So here we have parent functions. The parent functions are the dotted line. So here the parent function is, of course, y equals x squared, right? Just your basic parabola. And on the right, our parent function is the absolute value of x. Okay. So what have we done here? What we've done is this parent function on the left, we've moved it to the left. So if I'm looking at our vertex, we've moved it to the left 3 and down 2, right? So this is going to be parenthesis x plus 3. Remember, it's going to look the opposite. Don't forget that it's still squared. It's still quadratic. And we moved it down 2, so we're just going to have minus 2 here. And again, this is our vertex form. It should look similar. This one over here, what have we done? We have flipped it over, moved it right, and moved it left, right? So to reflect it over the x, that's going to be that negative on the outside here. Then on the inside, to move it to the right, how many? Just 2? We're actually going to put minus 2. Okay, and that would put it upside down right here, right? And then we need to move it up 5. So we're going to put plus 5 on the end. Oh, and I think I missed one back. Let's go back here. How can this graph be obtained from its parent graph? So this is just going to be moved to the left 3, shifted to the left 3, and then reflected over x axis. Okay. All right. Describe the transformation. So same thing here. Describe this transformation. So it's going to be left 4. That's here. Then it's going to be down 3. And it's going to be vertically, because it's on the outside, vertically stretched. So I'll just call that VS, vertically stretched by 2. How can you tell a horizontal compression from a vertical compression? Well, that's interesting. A horizontal, if I have something here, a horizontal compression is actually going to make it skinnier, right? It's going to make it skinnier because we're pressing in from the side. A vertical compression is actually going to make it shorter and fatter because you're pushing down from the top. Oh, look, we're done. Cool. I'm going home. Like I said, well, I mean, maybe we can talk about it tomorrow if you want to do these things, or if you want to do transformations either tomorrow, or if you want to wait and do those on Friday, or maybe inverses and transformations. But we will talk tomorrow. Otherwise, finish your test review, make sure your notes are done, and come with questions to ask before the test.